Alright, what is going on YouTube? Back again after a long wait. Today is the day I start vlogging again. Sorry for the no uploads on the YouTube channel. I've been busy working. I'm not able to daily post like all your other favorites, but I'm back, and today we have, well, something kind of small to work on today. Today we will be working on replacing the camshaft sensor on my 350Z. You'll also see some other clips of some things like on Nick's car that we don't really show too often, and I think you guys will just enjoy today's video. So let's go ahead and get started by first picking up Nick, and after we pick up Nick, we'll just go ahead and see how today goes. If you're new to the channel, by the way, go ahead and subscribe because I post a lot of content, and there's some videos behind this one that you can watch that you might as well pretty much enjoy. And if you like the video at the end, I always tell everyone to go ahead and like the video, and if you really enjoy it, you can go ahead and share it with others. And also there is a notification bell that you guys should all click to see when I post next. Alright, we're at AutoZone. About to go ahead and buy some of the belting, and I think I'm gonna buy some Freon too. My car's not really that cold. I need to buy some of that actually, some Freon. Alright, we're here putting on the coils, or adjusting coilovers on Nick's G35 right here. As you see, it's sitting properly on some jack stands right now. But pretty much gotta adjust the height. That's what we're doing now, so he can have bird height. It was a little too low. These are max speeding coilovers. They're not true, but yeah. About to go ahead and adjust this side to complement the other front side, and we'll get on our way with working on the Z. I'm not in trouble. Just got our words. And this is how low it is. I'm pretty sure Nick does not like how low it is in the rear. This reminds me of how low my car was in the rear. So we're gonna probably redo it again, and then get to Terrence's shop. Alright, we're at Terrence's shop right now. Timmy with me. Terrence over there. And we got the fan to pull off the car. No, we're not getting tuned. And first things first, take off the cold air intake. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now with this flathead screwdriver, and we'll get to the bottom of the camshaft. Alright, so the camshaft is located right under the underside of this thing right here. And what you have to pretty much do is unhook this plug-in right here. I hope you guys can see it. Can you see it, real Timmy? Where my hand's at? And what you're just gonna do is plug that. There'll be a bolt right here underneath it, and it's a 10 mil, and you'll use that to unplug it. And my glove already ripped. Let's get under here, and this is a very small feed, very small location. I just unplug. There's that thing. Just got to get a feel for it. Am I there yet? Oh. Ouch. That's the bolt for it. Right here. Leave that there. Check out that camshaft. Keep wiggling it. Oh my goodness. Burn. After burning myself a couple times, comes out. Guys, this is the camshaft sensor driver side.
All in days work.
Let's put this one back in. Pretty much do the same thing. This is the new one. I'm gonna go on this side instead because it's a lot harder to do it from there, but you guys pretty much saw where it's located. And once you get it there, you have to twist and wiggle it out. Cool. Now, let's go ahead and put this back here. Come right here. So have to look for the hose. For the hose.
Support.
Now that everything's put in, seats plugged in, sensor, moment of truth, we're gonna go ahead and start the car. Now we do recommend that you change every single, gotta erase it first. So gotta erase it first. And after we erase the code, then we'll start the car. After we start the car, see if it's running right or not. And it is recommended that you change all four. In this instance, I'm only changing one. If not, it'll kill the other sensor's battery a lot quicker since they came with the original sensors that comes with it. Rev up, comes with 4, and the other DEs only comes with 2. So, yeah. In the next scene, you'll see it shut down and start the car. Put it back on, it's super easy. Alright, we erase the codes. Huh? No check engine light for now, but that's only until the O2 sensor stuff comes right back on, so you won't see it for a while. It'll come back on eventually. It's gonna be O2 related, but I won't see a camshaft. I shouldn't see a camshaft position sensor light after this, so that's a good thing. And when the tune comes, hopefully we will have those lights removed as well, because they're obviously going to be O2 extension related. We're going to be doing the belt a little bit later, hopefully, but if we don't, I'm going to close out the video here. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notifications to see when I upload again. Sorry it's such a short video. And also I have a word and message for you guys. If you feel like you don't believe you can do it, just know that God is always there, and He's always going to be able to provide anything that is going to be righteous and glorifies Him. And that's pretty much all I have to say. Peace out. I'll see you guys later.
This is a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end. Come and